गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखते हैं सेल्सफोर्स लाइटनिंग वेब कंपाउंड के कुछ क्वेश्चन जो कि अभी मार्केट में सेल्सफोर्स में LWC को डिमांड है और रिक्वायरमेंट भी बहुत सारी होती है। तो LWC से कुछ क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is an app development framework deployed by Salesforce.com that simplified business process for the users. What is the Lightning framework? The Compounds framework is a UI framework by Salesforce that is used to develop single-page application for the desktop and mobile device. Lightning Compounds can be the built using the two programming models, the Aura Compounds model and the Lightning Web Compound model. Next questions: what are the compounds in Salesforce Lightning? Compound in Salesforce Lightning Experience, Lightning Exchange, Lightning Compounds Framework, Light Visual Building Tools, and Lightning Design System. Next, Salesforce Lightning include the following components. Lightning, the components of framework, it is a JavaScript framework and all the collections of general components that is allow you to development of recycle components for the personalized is the Salesforce mobile app is a Lightning experience. Lightning experience, it is the new and modern used experience and interface for the Salesforce Lightning Exchange. It is a related to the part of the app exchange, which has over the 70 partners compounds to start the development process. Lightning designing system, it is a help build application with the look and feel of the Lightning experience, but without having to write a single line of the CSS. Visual building the tools, this related to drag and drop features that is enabled easy to quick customizations and app building. Next, what is the Lightning experience? Lightning experience is the name of the latest Salesforce desktop application. It has the latest features with advanced UI and speed optimizations, bottom and from. Next questions: how are the the compounds built? Lightning compounds are the built using two programming models, native Aura compounds models. Aura is a framework technology that is empower the Lightning compounds. It is a UI framework used for the development of the dynamic web app for mobile and desktop device. Aura bridge the client and the server the thought the partition multi-tier the compounds development and user JavaScript on of the client side as well as the server side. It has a scalable long life cycle to allow the development of the growth oriented app. Aura allow the creation of the app that are the not independent on the Salesforce data. Because of this, there are manual deployments to the daily users as a program don't have to be optimized for each device. Aura allow to for more the efficiency in development. Next questions. Lightning Web Components models, the aspect of web components that is work will in the browser are the supported by the Lightning Web Components. It's only and what is necessarily to the work in the Salesforce supported browser. It is a W3C Web Components standard implementations. Lightning Web Components framework is the set of the advanced lightweight framework that is based on the most recent with the standard. It is a visual code-based document object model. The element can be helped to create sophisticated and interface without the using JS and creation of the library and making it simple and fast of the using is saving of a lot of time work on the web track. What is the use of the Aura compounds? Aura namespace. Aura namespace compare all of the main building the block to the defined application and the compounds. Next questions. What are the different type of the event of Salesforce Lightning compounds? Different type of the event of the Lightning system event, application event, compounds event. Following are the three event of the Salesforce Lightning compounds. System event, Salesforce fire the system event during the Lightning app life cycles. Application event, if follow the traditional publish subscribe the model and is the fire the from the instance of the compounds, all of the compounds that is per handler of the event are the notified. Compound saving, it is a fire from of the instant of the compounds and handled by the compounds that is fire the event or the compounds is the containment of the hierarchy that receive the event. Next question, what is the Lightning data service? Lightning data service is used to for carrying out basic tasks like the creating the editing, loading or deleting records in a compounds without Apex codes. It handles the sharing rules and the fields level security. Lightning data service enhance the performance, consistency, and UI. Next questions. What are the compounds bundles of the Lightning compounds? Following are the compounds bundle of the Lightning compounds. Controller, it's handle the client side event. Documentations, this compounds the bundle is used to for recording the compounds is style. It is include the compound styles, arrange error, and it's contain the compounds details the rendering beware helper. General logic can be written in the compounds bundle used by different controller methods to the avoid repetitions. Next, sorry, compounds bundle of the Lightning compounds. First controller, second style, third render, fourth helper, and fifth automations. Next question, how can we use Lightning compounds with the Salesforce model app? Lightning compounds can be used with of the Salesforce mobile app by the creating and traditional Lightning tab. The refer to the compounds tab. That tab can be the added to Salesforce mobile navigations. What are the different type of the Lightning records page and how are they built? Records page, app page, and home page are the different type of the Lightning records page, and they can be built using the Lightning app builders. Next question, what is a Lightning out? Lightning out of the used to compounds has to be used on the external side. The advantage is that Lightning compounds can be utilized in the user force page. It acts as a bridge of Salesforce Lightning compounds in any remote web containers. Next question, how can we utilize the Lightning compounds in the Visual Force page? Using the Lightning out can help inbuild the Lightning compounds on the Visual Force page. It can be achieved the three step. The Lightning compounds for the JavaScript library of Visual Force must be the first interested into the intended Visual Force page. Lightning the tags. Lightning app that is used for the compounds dependency is the generated and the pointed. Finally, JavaScript function needs to be the writing the created the compounds over the page and throughout the Lightning create the compounds. Next questions. What are the attribute and what are the required parameter in the attribute definition? Attribute are the variable that are used for the string storing value. The default type name access and descriptions must be defined is a attribute definition name and type of type, or they only require the parameter in the attribute definition. What is the difference between the compound event and the application event? Compound event is used to interactions between the parents and childs. The change in the child's compound can be the communicated to the parents compounds, though the compounds event. Application event are used to send modification in the compounds to the wide audience. The compounds that is have registered for this event will be get the alert. Next questions. Uh, where can we display lightning compounds? You can the display lightning compounds. It is a following tools. Lightning experience. You can the display lightning compounds by using the app builder in the lightning experience. Salesforce mobile app. You can the display lightning. This Salesforce lightning app. You will need to create the custom lightning to add the reference to compounds. Then you can add the tab in the mobile navigations. Next, uh, stand standalone lightning app. You can create the standalone lightning app and include the lightning components in it. Add app to the lightning experience at the launcher. Lightning components app the available in the app launchers. Add app to the lightning experience and the experience app the navigations. Lightning components tab in the can be added to the app. This will be then a display, that is app in navigation bar items. Lightning app builders can be community builders. You can display the lightning components and template based of the community by using the community builders. Next questions. Explain the namespace in the Salesforce Lightning components. The namespace is used to group and components together and can be the created throughout the organization. The Lightning components are the part of the namespace. Namespace C is the default namespace. If the namespace is created for the organization, then the namespace can be used to lightning the components. Where where can the lightning components be the use? Lightning components can be used to following the pace, dragging and dropping them in the community building and lightning app builders. Adding is a lightning page. Starting is a quick actions, creating and stand alone the application. Different and between the components and event and application event is the context of the Salesforce Lightning. And components event at a means of the communication between the parents and childs. A change in the child's compound can be the communicated to the parent compounds using the compounds in event. Application event the communicate and change in the compounds to much bigger audience. All of the compounds that have a register for the event got notified about the changes. Next questions. Different eight between the Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning they provide the enables user interface. You need to hire Salesforce developer. Open the Salesforce Classic where the Lightning is much easier to work with. With Lightning you don't need to Visual Force for every task. Salesforce Lightning has a more advanced security features than Salesforce Classic. Lightning provide the external how to analyze reporting. It is to user feature that is missing the from classic. Next question, what is a compounds event? Compounds event are the event are that child's compound dismiss and the parents compounds handles compounds event are used to then value from the child's compounds need to be sent the parents compounds. What are the application event? The application event can be dismissed and handled by any components. It does not require any type of the relationship among the components. That is, components that should be part of in application. Next, now what are the different pace in the application event and propagations? Capture the pace, default the pace, bundle the pace. And what is the lightning app builders? The lightning app builders is a stick and font of tool. This is for the creating lightning page in mobile application and the Salesforce lightning experience. The lightning page are the built though the lightning components that are the configurable reusable and compact. The Lightning app builder can help build on home page, app page, and a records page. What are the bound and unbound expressions? Unbound and bound expression are used to perform data building. When a child's compounds fall from the parent's compounds, that value can be the sent from the attribute of the parents compounds to the child's compounds and attribute. What are the different type of the attribution that can be the used and strong value? The following the attribute used to strong value. Balloon enter and staying date and time, date, demissal and map. Next questions. What is the importance of the aura methods tag in the Salesforce Lightning? The aura methods used to defining the methods within the API of the compounds. This allow methods to be directly called in the client side the controller and compounds instant handling the dismissal and event. The aura methods can help simplify the code that is a parents compounds required to call, and methods can be the child's compounds and explain the force records data. The force record data is a convergence controller of the lightning compounds operation like deleting, creating, and editing. Records can be the completion and thought to force record data. It's remove the recognize the place request passing of the server if the some recorded and requested. Next question, explain the lightning navigations. Lightning navigation is used to navigate to the page reference or create URL from the given page. Reference from the navigation is the page reference object must define the navigation is possible for the following the supported features. Lightning compounds records page, object page, name page, and web page, knowledge articles, records, rotational page, and navigation item page. Next questions. What is the flexi page? The metadata related to lightning page is a portrayed by the flexi page, the lightning page, and proprietary adaptive screen that is made up of design that is include the lightning compounds. The lightning the page include the 25 compounds. The flexi page is stored as a XML files and deploy the thought the deployment tools and Salesforce metadata API. The lightning page as a refer to the flexi page in the API. What is the lightning locker in the Salesforce Lightning? The lightning locker service and robust of the powerful security architecture for the lightning compounds enhance security by the lightning compounds that is belong on the new space from those in the different new space. It is a permitted best practice. This enhance of the supportability of the course by only allow the access supported API and removing access from the non-published firmware and internals. Next question, what is the importance of the implementation of lightning compounds? Implementation is for referring to the perform the interface, the allow user and compounds in the virus contain grant access to additional constant context data. Content data of compounds can be multiply interface with the help of the implement. Next question, what is the difference between the and? Input does not the content, lightning the designing system, lightning the wheel, and lightning input and content. Next question, what is the use of the lightning records edit from? In the lightning records edit from lightning input fields is used to create the editable fields using the lightning output fields. Read only information can be displayed. Lightning records edit from the request. It is display the records edit about the edit and particular the records. It is display the records create of the layout create particular records. Next questions. What is the action provided and value the provider? Action the provider allow the management of the action event and handler of the compounds. the value of the product allowed to use users and compounds and attribute value of the compounds, JavaScript and markup the controller. And next question are what are the lightning web compounds? LWC lightning web component compounds can help the build lightning compounds. They are the traditional HTML element that are the development with the advanced JavaScript and HTML element can the compounds can be built using the modify modifying locating and compounds on the lightning page. Next, successful extension of the Visual Studio Code is a requirement and development and LWC and Salesforce CLI is the use for the deploying in from the desired organization. Next question: what is a Scratch ORG? Scratch ORG is a expandable Salesforce ORG that is used to of purpose of the testing and development. It is a source driven and the responsible deployment of the Salesforce code and metadata. A scratch or the complete configurable enabling developers to the imitate and different the Salesforce edition and including the different features and the performance. The scratch of the configuration file can be the share with other teams and members to carry out out of the deployment. Additionally, package can be the install and the static and dummy data of the deploy for the testing will be default duration is for 7 days. Is a scratch or ORG can be the created for the 30 day after the which is the deactivated. Next questions. What is the use of the metadata configuration file in the LWC? The metadata configuration file, the specific the metadata value of the compounds, it is will be result and errors when the change in are the pushed if there is no configuration files is a compounds. Next question: what is the use to of JavaScript and LWC? JavaScript and establish HTML properties beware and if a function class and the variable defined and models needs to input and inputted and the inputted statement has to be used. JavaScript file LWC are the ES6 model and everything declare the model in locals. LWC is the core modeling lightning web compounds the important statement important lightning element from the LWC models. Next question: what is the purpose of the post app hostable interface in the Salesforce lightning compounds? In the Salesforce mobile app or the lightning compounds of the post app hostable interface can be the use and custom tabs. Next question: what is the purpose of the lightning action override one of the Salesforce lightning compounds? The lightning action override the allow the compounds and implemented as an override for the standard action. It is possible to the override the new tab in edit and view standard action and most standard custom compounds. It is has no effect except and when used to within the lightning experience in the Salesforce mobile app and experience the builder site. Next question. What are the tools and present in the Salesforce Lightning? Lightning the schema builders. It is a UI tool that is used to create and view fields and object and a relationship. And Lightning connect the integrations tools and make the simple for the push.com app. The resume can data from the external source and which components ODN if space Lightning process builder. It is a UI tools used to use for the visualization and the creation of the automated business process. Lightning components and framework. It is a compiler extensions and components that is allow you to building of the recyclable components and presentation personalization of the Salesforce mobile app and a development and a deployment independent app. Lightning app builders. It is a the latest UI tools that is enable quick and building and lightning app throughout the components given by the Salesforce platform developers. Our Salesforce lightning tools, lightning the schema builders, lightning the process builder, lightning the component framework, lightning the app builders, lightning the connect. Next questions. Expound LWC, the term stand for the Lightning Web Components. Next question, how is the LWC different from the Aura? LWC based on the Lightning Components in but using the we stack the tools, whereas Aura Components Lightning the components are built using the HTML and JavaScript tools. Next questions, which company introduced the LWC and the worldwide software market? Says the introduce LWC to the worldwide Salesforce market. Next questions, what do you mean by the Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is a compounds based at the framework for the Salesforce app development. It is a deployment. It's made object to the simplify the process of the deployment for these who do not have a proper experience programming. Next questions, expound the LCF. The term LCF stand for Lightning Components Framework. Next question, what is the use of Lightning the Components and Framework? It is a general term and Lightning the Components Framework using the interface framework that is used to and develop a dynamic web application for the both mobile and desktop users. Next question, in how many web to can in lightning the compounds be the made? They are the two way in the which lightning the compounds can be made by. They are the our compounds model and lightning web compounds models. Next questions, mention some of the components of the Salesforce Lightning. Here are some of the components of the Salesforce Lightning. They are Lightning Exchange, Lightning the components framework, Lightning visual building the tools, Lightning the experience, and Lightning the designing system. Next question, mention some of the types of the event and Salesforce Lightning components. There are the three different types of the event and the Salesforce Lightning the components. There are the application event and system event and component event. Next question, what is the LWC? The term LWC stands for Lightning the Web Component. It is used to develop custom HTML element without the help of the JavaScript and HTML tools. Next question, do you think our web components and Lightning web components can be exit together? And yes, both of our Lightning web components and Lightning web components can be coexist together. Learn to the in and out of the software development. Next questions. What does compounds bundle the content? Here are the some of the compounds and bundles of Lightning the compounds: style or in renders, documentations, helper, and controllers. Next questions. What is the use of Visual Force building the tools? This visual building the tools provide the drag and drop feature, making the app development quicker and easier. Next question. What are the different lightning page? There are the different type of lightning page available. Some of them are the presented here. Enable service page, home page, app page, and record page. Next question, what are the advantages using the Lightning components and framework? Here are the some of the benefit of using Lightning components framework. It is a provider out of the box components, rich custom components and ecosystems, fast deployment, device aware, and browser the capability. Next questions, list out the sequence of the application event propagations. Here is the sequence of the application event and propagations event fades, capture phase, bundle phase, and int default phase. Next question, what are the rules of the allow for will naming the files? Here are the same of the rules that are the two following the will and naming files. They are: the name of the files must begin with of the lowercase letters. The name of the files must contain only alphanumeric of the underscore characters. The number of the files must have unique and unique unique in the namespace. Next, the name of the list files can have a white space in it. The name of the files should not end with the underscore. The name of the files should not be contained to conspirative underscore and charters. The name of the files should not be contain a hyphen. Next questions. How to integrate thought the list of the LWC. They are the two different way to the integrate and thought the list in the LWC used for each. It is expand the LC yes LDC. The term SLDC stand for the Salesforce Lightning Designing System. Next question, what is the use to of the Salesforce Lightning Designing System? Salesforce Lightning Designing System used to develop by application with greater lightning the experience within the using lightning use single lightning the code and CSS. Next questions, there are any possibility having the multiply where the lightning web components? Yes, there are the possibility for having more than to the where the methods lightning web components. Next question, what is the renders callback is a lightning web compounds. Renders the callback is a function lightning the web component is that is used to carry out of the logic once of the components has completed the integration stage. Next question, explain the more about the Salesforce Lightning the designing system. The Salesforce Lightning designing system is a CSS3 framework that is adds that is a developer to create great and enlightening the experience using the font color, the platinum icon, and so on. Next questions. What is the use of the wire in LWC? Wiring is a useful property in Lightning Web Compound when the writing of service provisions data of the rendering of the compounds occurs if it is used to specific your why the adapter. Next question, list out of the tools present in Salesforce Lightning. Here are the some of the tools and present in Lightning the components framework, Lightning the connect, Lightning the app builder, Lightning the schema builders, Lightning the process builders. Next question, what is the Lightning process builders? Lightning the process builders, one of the tools present in the Salesforce Lightning. It is a interface tool used to create the visualization card automate process. Next, expand SFDC. The term SFDC stand for the Salesforce Developer Experience. Next question, what is the use of the Salesforce Developer Experience? This Salesforce Developer Experience is also the now SFDC or just DX. It is the set of the tools that are used improve that developer experience of the working upon the platform. Next question, what is the state whether the given the statement is a true and false statement? The data returns by the improvement apex method, the immutable crash implementive apex method return in the data which is mutable. Next question, state whether the given the statement is a ruse false statement lightning the web components work faster than Aura components. True, that is lightning the web components work faster than Aura components. Next, why does LWC work faster than Aura components? Normally, the lightning web components work faster than Aura components. This is a because due of the absence from the abstraction layer, the LWC lightning web lightweight framework builds using the web stack tools such as HTML and JavaScript. Salesforce Lightning the web components and communicate with the Aura components. There is a possibility that is Aura components and communicate within the Lightning web components with the help of the public API and event. Next questions. Mention some of the disadvantage of Lightning web components. Here are the some of the disadvantage of the using Lightning web components. They are the does not the support is a LEX code console. LWC does not provide to the way building. LWC restrict the using of the emails template and so on. Next questions, state whether the given statement is a true or the false. statement lightning web components can be the embedded within the Aura components. True lightning web components can be the enables within the Aura components. Whereas the reverse cannot be happens. Thank you so much, friends.